Hi everyone, my name is Mehreen Tahir and I welcome you to my course Implementing Azure Cognitive Services with QnA Maker. I'm an all-round software developer with a passion for cloud and machine learning. I mainly focus on Microsoft Azure platform and have experience with designing and developing maintainable, future-proof, and resilient applications using the latest and greatest services on the Azure platform. I've been involved in a number of projects using a variety of cognitive services, from QnA Maker to Lewis chatbots and many others. Not only am I passionate about developing real-world apps and solutions, I also enjoy sharing my expertise and knowledge with others through technical articles on different online communities, including C# Corner and Code Project. I have also been recognized as Most Valuable Professional by C# Corner for my contributions, so feel free to get in touch. Nowadays, applications need to be more intelligent, and embedding this intelligence in your apps is hard to do by yourself. Azure Cognitive Services is a set of Azure APIs that make it easy to enhance your applications. It allows the data management and to infuse your apps, websites, and bots with intelligent algorithms. QnA Maker is a cognitive offering by Microsoft categorized under the Language API. This course comprises of 5 sections. In Section 1, we will introduce Azure Cognitive Services and highlight the uses and benefits of each component. We then take a brief look at the application scenarios that we will be working with throughout the course and also create a QnA Maker cognitive service in Azure. Also, we will set up the development environment on our local machine. In the second section, we will get an overview of the Azure Bot Service and discuss the services and functionality that Azure Bot Service offers. We will also create FAQ Bot by integrating the QnA Maker knowledge base with Azure Bot Service and test and customize our bot using online code editor as well as on local machine. In Section 3, we will take a brief look at socializing the FAQ bot with the help of available social channels on Azure. We will take things ahead and integrate the FAQ bot with web chat channel. Then, we will publish the bot to Azure Web App and enable continuous integration to app with web chat using GitHub and Azure Portal. In Section 4, we will focus on updating our knowledge base after the initial creation. We will take a look at the analytics for Web App Bot in Azure Portal and query the chat logs to get meaningful information. Then, we will update our knowledge base with recent user requests using different methods. We will also talk about some recently introduced interesting features of QnA Maker, like active learning and multi-turn conversations. We will also add collaborators to our knowledge base and talk about the supported languages. Section 5 is my personal favorite since we will be making our knowledge base more interesting and interactive by adding media content to it. We will first add hyperlinks to our knowledge base and then extend the discussion to adding rich cards supported by Microsoft Bot Framework. We will also add images and videos as bot response. So if you are a code freak, you're especially going to enjoy this section since we will be doing coding along the way for our bot to intercept the media response. By the end of this course, you would have developed a solid understanding of Microsoft Cognitive Services. You will also be confident of using and implementing QnA Maker Cognitive Service in your business apps that will help you move forward with your overall understanding of the Microsoft Cognitive Services suite. You will be well versed with developing FAQ bot using QnA Maker service, and thus will be able to enhance and provide better services to your customer base using Azure Cognitive Services for Language. This course is aimed at developers and architects who are interested in building smarter web apps using QnA Maker service. Though we will be breaking things down to beginner level, but some exposure to C# language is good to have. You're also going to need an active Azure subscription to follow along the course and, well, a development machine. I hope you join me on this journey of implementing Azure Cognitive Services with QnA Maker. Ready? Let's get started.